about our markets? Volatility sure has crept in. What's the way forward? We've got Kunal as well as Nooresh joining in on the show. Kunal, hi, morning. Like we were just discussing, the mid-cap index is only off about 10 odd percent from its all-time peak. Not a whole lot, given the kind of gains that it's also had. Is there room for more correction?
Yeah, there's room for more correction, but in fact, the correction is more accentuated towards the small cap index. The small cap index is below the 50-day moving average. The Nifty mid cap index, even in the last 1 month of this correction sideways consolidation, I think has still protected its 50-day moving average. So that could be a that could be a sign that maybe we are looking at more of a time-wise grind rather than a price-wise sharp correction for the mid-cap index. But interestingly, in the last 1 month, when the indices have corrected a bit on a flattish note, the stocks, many of the stocks have actually gone through their individual phases of correction for themselves. Some of them, for example, the PSU basket, many of the stocks have corrected by a magnitude of 15% to 20% on average. So that may not be reflecting on the indices as such, but I believe that we could probably be at a point where we may see a lot of time-wise consolidation for many of the stocks in the mid caps and small caps.
Okay. Nooresh, hi, morning. You think this volatility within the broader markets is going to creep into the Nifty too, or do you think the large caps are protected?
So as of now, the large caps are protected, or rather, some of them are actually in good trends. The small caps, we've generally seen March is seasonally a month where there is some bit of a pressure. We saw the last March also was a tough one. We had a much deeper correction in March 23. So overall, the view is till the time we hold on to the recent swing lows, even the small caps could create a short-term bounce back. So overall, we are in a flux in terms of the small caps, but in the Nifty, till we hold above the 21,900, 22,000 mark, the trend remains positive. A lot of heavyweights are still showing very positive trends. So biased positively on the large caps, on the mid caps and small caps, time to be a little more cautious.